Hi, I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. So today is a very special day. Today is my mom's 3-year death anniversary, I guess, of the day when she passed away. So today I wanted to do a DIY in honor of my mom. I wanted to make a baby doll dress, a mommy and me baby doll dress. So I went and got this t-shirt made. Now this is me and my mom when I was born, and then this is me and my mom, like I think this was 2013 this was taken. So I wanted to DIY this shirt. So if you have a loved one that passed and you want to take a shirt and DIY it into a dress, this is how you do it. I'm just gonna fold her in half. Cut right here. Okay, so now I'm going to take this fabric right here and I'm going to add this fabric to the shirt, making it a dress. Okay. All right, so I think this is going to be really cute. And then I'm also going to be using a little bit of black. I just want to color block it just a little bit. You know, I got to be a little different or whatever. Used to release balloons, but that's very, very, very bad for the environment. So we don't do that anymore. So now we're just going to, I'm just going to wear this dress and then go over to my sister's house, and then we're just going to, you know, chit chat about my mom or whatever. We're going to read the obituary, go through and just talk stories, just to keep her memory alive. So after I finish cutting this, then I'm just going to add a little bit of the black fabric. This is more of a flowy fabric. So I'm just going to only use just a little panel of the black just to, you know, like I said, just break it up a little bit.
Here, I'm just sewing a gathering stitch so that I can gather the fabric together.
So now I'm just joining both of the two panels together, and I'm going to sew a straight line straight down on both sides. So I got my little iron here, so I'm just going to press the seam. Okay, so now I just pin the ruffles to the shirt, and I want it outward, so I'm gonna just go ahead and stitch it down. Ta-da! What do you think? Is it too new for you? I think so. I think my mom will be proud. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.